Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I said welcome back. You see me here, right? Me. Like I said I was going to take a break and I was done. It's been 4 months and I'm like, you know what, let me get back to my channel, because I had started a Facebook page, like a like page, and start going live. And you know what, after a while I realized, you know what, I don't like going live. I don't. I feel like that's for more sociable people, you know, and that's more they want to just get real social and personal with people somewhat, kind of. And me, I'm kind of like the total opposite. Like with my channel here, like it's strictly nothing but makeup. Like you would never know my personal life unless I tell you. But other than that, I'm like a really private person. Like social media is not for your personal life at all. Not to me anyway. So, but besides that point, okay, I decided, like, you know what, I'm kind of done with it. I probably still do it every now and again, but let me get back to my channel and my videos, because that's what I like doing. Like, I kind of missed it. I did. So I'm back and I'm bringing you this like yellow and purple and glitter, and I don't know what to call this, but it's like a real proof, okay? But yeah, okay, so, and I'm gonna try to get back to my normal schedule, whatever that was. I think it was like Tuesdays and Thursdays and Sundays, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know. But yeah, like we're gonna get back into the swing of things, okay? Go get my channel back popping and these looks coming with the tutorials, okay? Okay. So, but if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, okay? Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you know, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Yeah. See, we get right back into it. And I'll see you next time. Okay, so haven't did this in a while, but we gonna do this today. All right. Okay, y'all, so I am back and I'm about to get started. Like, I feel a little weird right now because it's been like 4 months and I'm just sitting here at my camera like, okay, pull it together. All right. Okay, so okay, I'm going to take the NYX HD Concealer in Golden, and I'm just prepping my eye a little bit more. Okay. And yes, I am still using Juvia's palettes. Like, I'm not going nowhere with Juvia's, okay? Like, that's like my forever palette, okay? And we're going to use the Zulu palette, and I am taking the yellow that's right here, okay? And it is basically going to be our transition and main color, basically, almost. Yeah. And next, I am going to take this purple out of the Zulu palette and we'll put it in the crease. And with this purple, I'm going to have to really like pack it in to build it up, because I don't know why blending purple is so hard. To me it is anyway. I always struggle with it. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a clean brush to blend it out, because usually I would take the yellow brush to blend it out, but with purple you got to be a little careful. With yellow and purple, you know, it can get kind of muddy, and I don't want that to happen. Okay. Okay, so what I did, I just packed in some more purple, and I'm going to take this brownish color. What is the brown color? I'm going to take the brown out of the Zulu palette, and I'm kind of going to blend it into the purple a little, because I didn't want it to be a whole lot of brown, but I still want it to be visible. Okay. I fixed it later. All right. I'm not gonna worry about that right now because I see I'm gonna get stressed out. Okay. So I'm just gonna go back in to blend some more of this purple. Okay. I'm gonna just take some black eyeshadow from the Urban Decay palette, from the Kristen Leanne palette. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have, it doesn't matter. And you don't have to pack this in, you can really just go straight into blending. To cut my crease using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade White. And this is a Morphe M167 brush. So after I have cut the crease, I'm going to take the Magic palette. I don't use this palette very often, but it do have some pretty shimmers in there, so we're going to use it today. Even though I'm going to cover up with glitter, but that's not the point. Okay, so I'm going to take the light purple and the light silver, okay, the grayish looking one, and we're going to put that on the lid. Okay, so we're going to take the purple first. Oh, this palette has names in it. Okay, it's called Faso, F-A-S-O. That's the one I'm using, if you have this palette. Okay. Okay. And these colorful brushes I'm using is from my website, my brand, lashedbykeaira.com, and there's glitter brushes, and you can have them decorated any color glitter that you want to do. I do ombre and everything else. Okay. And they are very affordable. There are 12 pieces, well, 12 brushes. Your blended brushes, flat brushes, all that good stuff. And they are $18. Right? And it's very affordable, and they're cute. Okay. And then we're gonna move on to the silver. And this one is something, I can't pronounce it, but it starts with a Y, okay? But it's the last silver in the third row. It's the very light one. And I'm gonna pack that right next to the purple and blend it in. So I'm going to take some iridescent glitter from Bow Glitters, and this is in Maybelline Pore. I used to use this a lot when I was doing videos, and it's green. It has like reflex in it. It's really cute. Okay. And I'm just going to take the NYX Mixing Medium as usual. Okay, and I'm just going to press this in all over the lid. Okay, so I did my wing, and next I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights liner in the color Escape. And yes, I'm still doing double wings. Okay, and for my under eye, the only thing I'm going to do is just reverse the color effect. So I'm going to do black liner, then purple and brown and yellow under eye. Same thing. Okay. Still, I popped my lashes on, and these are in the style Sis, again from my brand Lashed by Key. So I'm just going to take any shimmer that I have. It can be white, gold, it doesn't matter, because I had put a green shimmer over here, then put a green eyeshadow on top of it, but it kind of disappeared and it turned orange. Why, I don't know. So I'm gonna switch it up on this side and do what I usually do. And I'm taking this green matte shadow from the ABH Prism palette and just popping it right on top. So I'm gonna just use the Milani Make It Last. Okay, so for highlighter, I am going to take gingerbread from this brand called Such a Fancy Cosmetics. They have highlighters, glitter lip gloss, and chunky glitters, which they're really bomb. I got like 16 of them. I think it was 16, I don't know, but it was only like $30, and it has a lot of them in there. Like, I use them in a tutorial, but them glitters is bomb. This highlighter is bomb too. Okay, like, it's really gold. Okay. Like, you just need just a little bit. Just surely doing. See, that's real pro, right? Like, it's not like too gold, but it does the job. Okay. And for the center of my nose, I'm gonna take Jackie Aina's La Peach. Like, I still love this. It's been months, but I still love this highlighter. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just put some lip gloss on. I don't think I really need any lipstick with this, so I'm gonna just take the Colourpop extra glossy lip gloss in Contessa. Okay. Bye.